Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the Farberware can opener, blade, wheel, and gears. Once done, wipe away grime so it cuts smoothly. This reduces jamming. Next, position the cutting wheel directly on the can rim and close the clamp until the opener grips. Make sure the can sits on a flat surface. You want stability. Hold the body with one hand and the crank with the other. This initial alignment controls bite depth and prevents bent lids or sudden slips, so set it right now. Now you begin cutting by turning the crank in a steady motion. Don't rush. As you rotate, the wheel should score the lid evenly. This is why a consistent pace matters. It prevents jagged edges. If you hear scraping or irregular clicks, stop and check alignment. Misalignment makes the blade skip. Keep your free hand stabilizing the can. Once more, maintain steady pressure. The opener's gearing does the work. This technique keeps the lid intact and reduces metal shavings falling into the can. Finish by turning until the wheel reaches the starting point. Then lift the opener straight up to detach the lid cleanly. Make sure you remove the lid with a magnet or utensil. Avoid bare fingers because edges are sharp. If the opener slips or stops cutting, check for a dull blade. Sharpen or replace it, tighten loose screws, and apply a drop of food-safe oil to the gears. These fixes restore smooth action so you can use the opener safely and reliably next time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.